Equal masses of hydrogen, oxygen present in a container. Mole fraction of oxygen is. Mole fraction of oxygen is equal masses of hydrogen and oxygen. So you take any mass. You take any mass. I am taking 32 gram oxygen. I am taking 32 gram hydrogen. 32 gram hydrogen is 32 by 2, 16 mole. 32 gram oxygen is 32 by 32, 1 mole. We want the mole fraction of oxygen. Mole fraction of oxygen is equal to number of moles of oxygen by number of moles of oxygen plus number of moles of hydrogen. So how much it is? 1 divided by 1 plus 16, that is 1 by 17. You can take any mass. You take any mass. It must be equal. It must be equal. That's all. See, mass of hydrogen must be equal to mass of oxygen. Let it be X. Number of moles of oxygen, that is number of moles of oxygen by number of moles of oxygen plus number of moles of hydrogen. That is mass of oxygen by molar mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen by molar mass of oxygen. Mass of hydrogen by molar mass of hydrogen. See, this is equal to X. So X by 32. X by 32. X by 2. You will go to the same answer. For the easy calculation, we are taking a figure, say 32. So this I am taking 32, this I am taking 32. Equal mass. So 32 means 32 by 32, 1 mole. 32 means 32 by 2, 16 mole. So mole fraction of oxygen, number of moles of oxygen divided by total, 1 by 17.